हाय गाइस, हाउ आर यू डूइंग टुडे? आज हम वोकेबलरी के नेक्स्ट सेशन के साथ स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं। आई होप आपने इससे प्रीवियस जितने भी सेशन थे, जितनी भी वीडियोस थी वोकेबलरी की, वो सारी मेमोराइज कर ली हैं। लेट्स बिगिन विद द फर्स्ट वर्ड, कन्वीनियंट। कन्वीनियंट मीन्स सुविधाजनक। जयपुर इज वेरी कन्वीनियंट फॉर मी, सो आई डोंट वांट गो आउट ऑफ जयपुर। इसको ऐसे भी बना सकते हैं, आई विल डू माई वर्क एज पर माई कन्वीनियंस। नेक्स्ट, कंट्रोवर्सी। कंट्रोवर्सी मीन्स विवाद। Few of the political leaders are always in controversy. या ऐसा भी बोल सकते हैं, आई डोंट लाइक एनी काइंड ऑफ कंट्रोवर्सी। कंटिन्यूअस। कंटिन्यूअस मीन्स लगातार। माई ब्रदर वॉज कंटिन्यूअसली ग्रोइंग रिच। या इसको ऐसे भी बोल सकते हैं, आई वॉज कंटिन्यूअसली फेलिंग इल दैट टाइम। नेक्स्ट, सर्टेनली। सर्टेनली मीन्स अवश्य या निश्चित रूप से। सर्टेनली आई विल डू योर वर्क। आई वॉन्ट टू बी सर्टेन that you will do my work. Next, celebrate. Celebrate means manana या उत्सव मनाना. We are celebrating tomorrow my brother's birthday. I don't want to celebrate any occasion. Consequence. Consequence means natija. When there is no rain, the consequences are very tough for the farmers. If you will not listen me properly, the consequences can be horrible. Congratulate. Congratulate means बधाई देना. I want to congratulate you because you have passed IAS examination. They came to me to congratulate me on my success. Competition means प्रतियोगिता या होड़. There is a lot of competition nowadays. I am not in any competition. Consumption. Consumption means खपत या उपभोग. There is a lot of consumption of electricity, that's why the prices are going high. How much milk do you consume per day at your home? Compact. Compact means संक्षिप्त. You tell me everything in compact. I want a very compact laptop. Next page. Category. Category means darja ya varg. There are many players playing from different categories this year. I don't belong to that category. I am from general category. Capable. Capable means kabil. I am looking for a capable person for my business. Do you feel that you are capable? I am really capable, in my opinion. Common. Common means samanya ya aam. It is very common that the temperature is growing up to 50 degrees Celsius in Rajasthan. What is the common factor behind successful people? Comparatively. Comparatively means तुलनात्मक रूप से. Comparatively, winters are more comfortable than summers. Creative. Creative means रचनात्मक. Making videos is a very creative job actually. Compensation. Compensation means मुआवजा या हर्जाना. I don't want any kind of compensation. Many people are fighting for compensation. They are not getting. Confirm. Confirm means पक्का करना या निश्चित करना. I want to be confirmed that my work will be done. I didn't get a confirmed seat. That's why I cancelled my travel. Can you confirm me please? Calculation. Calculation means हिसाब. What is the calculation be your bill? Can you please explain me the calculations? Caliber. Caliber means क्षमता. You should be a person of high caliber if you want to be in Indian Army. Calm down. Calm down means शांत होना. Please calm down. Don't cry. Next page. Campaign means abhiyan. There are many political campaigns are going on because next year elections are there. I am not a part of any campaign. Capture means लेना, कब्जा करना या पकड़. I saw that few people captured a person because he was caught for chain snatching. Care means परवाह या देखभाल. Doctors don't care at all in few hospitals. Careless means बेपरवाह लापरवाह. I cannot be careless because my health is not that well. You should not be careless. Careless people can't do anything. Casualty means hadsa. There was a casualty in a bus accident actually, and more than 10 people died that day. Catch means pakad lena. He was catching fish in the pond. I need to catch my bus. He is caught because of robbery. Cause means karan. What is the cause behind your success? And what is the cause behind his failure? Central means beach ka mukhya. Jaipur is a central city in North India. Center means madhya. Delhi is the center of India. Certificate means praman patra. I am going to the university to collect all of my certificates. Where are your certificates? Next page. Chain means shrankhla ya janjeer. Corona is a disease of chain actually. If one person is infected, then it's a chain, like many people will be infected from one another one. Janjeer. I am going to buy a gold chain. Challenge means chunoti. I am not challenging you, but I can run faster than you. Champion means vijeta. Who is the World Cup champion this year? I feel India can be the next World Cup champion in cricket. Chance means moka. I can give you a chance if you prove me. I am looking for a chance. Who will give you a chance? I am waiting for my chance. Consumer means उपभोक्ता या ग्राहक जो कंज्यूम करते हैं किसी भी चीज को. Data consumers are growing day by day as we are using internet very much. Contact means sampark. He was out of my contact actually. I will be in his contact very soon. Cafeteria means jalpan grah. I was sitting in cafeteria when he came. Then we discussed a lot. Call means bulana. He called me, so I visited over there. I am calling him since morning, but he has not come. Calm means shant. See, when I was in Masuri, the environment was very calm. Conveyance means vahan. I want to have a conveyance so that I can go to market. Next page. Convince means vishwas dilana. I don't want to convince you. If you wish to believe me, you can believe, otherwise, no problem. I am totally convinced with your opinion. Cancel means rad karna. I have cancelled my ticket because I could not get a confirmed seat. Candidate means umidwar. How many candidates are appearing in exam this year? Candle means mombatti. I will have to lit a candle in evening in the temple. Capable means yogya. Do you really feel that you are capable? Yes, I am capable. Capacity means samarthya hasiyat. My capacity is only up to spending 1 lakh rupees this time. Case means mamla hai mukadma. What is the case? Your case is very strong. Caste, caste means jati. What is your caste? I am Brahman by caste. Casual, casual means संयोग से या लापरवाह. Like, I met him casually. He was having a casual approach. That's why he could not success in exam. Ceiling, ceiling means chat. Our ceiling is not that low. Your house is having a very beautiful ceiling. Okay guys, that's it for the day. देखिए, ये जितनी भी वोकेबलरी थी इसको दिन में 3 बार आपको लिसन करना है, मेमोराइज करना है, और जितने भी मैंने सेंटेंसेस ट्रांसलेशन में बताया ना उनमें मैक्सिमम में आप इनको यूज करने की कोशिश कीजिए, बार बार मेमोराइज कीजिए. एंड प्लीज एक्सरसाइज इन फ्रंट ऑफ मिरर टू मेक योर वोकेबलरी मोर स्ट्रोंगर. राइट, अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी प्लीज लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. थैंक्स अ लॉट गाइस.